Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the legit ways to get diamonds in Voidpet Dungeon fast and safely. So let's get straight into it. Now, your best and most reliable source of diamonds is daily quests and missions right over here. You want to make it a habit to log in every day and complete them. The rewards might look small, but they add up quickly over time. Next up are treasure chests and the dungeon. The deeper you go, the better the rewards, and higher floors have a much better chance of dropping diamonds, so pushing your progress really pays off. And also, always fight the daily bosses. These bosses give some of the best rewards in game, and diamonds are often included in their loot pool. Never skip them if you want steady diamond income. Next, you also want to keep an eye on milestones and achievements. Clearing certain floors, defeating strong enemies, or hitting progression goals will give you one-time diamond rewards, so progressing matters a lot. And don't forget events and login streaks. Limited time events are one of the fastest ways to stack diamonds if you stay active, participate regularly. And quick spending tip, don't blow your diamonds on random eggs early. You'll get much better value using them on extra diamond keys or training runs, which help you progress faster and earn even more rewards. And a big warning, there are no real diamond generators, all right? So any website or app promising free diamonds is a scam and could get your account banned. And that's about it. That's how you get diamonds in Voidpet Dungeon the smart way. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!